Can you ask like us questions?
Well, you have to say how many words is it? How many words? 3 words? Oh, I know it. 3 words.
A Bug's Life.
Yeah, everybody knew.
Was that it?
Sounds like.
Come on, Joe.
We said it as an example. Okay, you know what? I'll get scissors so that you can't tell which pieces are yours.
Yeah, but I
Because it's kind of obvious when you see how you crumpled your pieces.
Can we do
Are you just doing Disney movies?
No, we're just doing here. You know
Can we
what?
do a
mine's
different?
actually a very gross
Let's do a different topic.
Okay, a harder topic.
Like football.
football. Yeah.
Joe, but when you say that
Oh,
example,
snowboarding.
we all know
The movie
that
I did was The Patriot. It's so funny because he has like this like tomahawk. It's like an axe.
Why don't
and
you
he,
do
like,
TV
He
shows?
throws it from like
That's a
100
good
feet
idea,
away and it
Mommy.
lands
How about
right in the
TV
guy's
shows,
chest.
guys?
It's so funny.
Look out.
I love
You
Shrek.
can
TV
make
shows
sound.
and cartoons.
And
TV
film that side
shows.
so I can get your face.
TV
So
shows
that's-
and
so that's
cartoons.
it, Nina.
Oh, like the Jetsons.
Here. There.
Sometimes
All
I
right.
wish we were the Jetsons because like.
Okay, so we're picking a topic, guys.
Okay.
What about your phone? John, where's your phone?
That's mine.
Just
No. Where's your
That's
iPod,
Nina's.
Joe?
stop.
Where's your iPod?
I give it to you.
Okay.
Joe?
Everybody, here's a piece of paper. I'm gonna write down a TV show. And you mine. I know. 1 second.
Oh, there it is.
Mine's your bag.
You did not give your phone to me.
iPod.
Your iPod. Where is it?
I gave it to Nina.
No, I
Did you ever
didn't.
I did that.
Okay, Nina. Guys, don't
Well,
look.
you better hope somebody doesn't step on it.
Nina, go over there, cause Joe's not cooperating.
I have the sticky part right
Okay.
here.
Okay,
Joe, where did
guys.
you put that?
No, don't say that. Okay, and then
Wait,
once
I
you
just
write
want to think of
it, once you write it down, guys, crumple it up into a little ball.
Hey
Okay.
guys.
Let me see your teeth, Nina.
Don't crumble
Yeah,
it.
let me see your
Yes,
teeth.
crumple
Nina,
it.
smile.
Crumple it. No, because then you know what to do.
Here,
So then glue it. Oh no.
Guys, look at this. Look at the paper.
I need your help spelling it though.
What?
Well, I don't know. Okay.
All right. Let's not have crumpled paper. Where is I need the paper.
Oh, a TV. Oh my god.
The Sneeze Show. Go ahead.
Austin and Allen.
Face the other way, Joe. Face this way.
Joe. Yeah, Joe,
Joe,
stand
go
over
over
there.
there.
Stand over there.
Joe, go there.
Joe.
But it was
Joe.
not. It was not correct.
No, stand over there. No. Joe,
You just stand right there.
stand right here.
Ouch,
I'll put the
Joe.
lantern here. Stand here. Stop.
Right now,
Turn around.
United today about the
And speak.
Can I just say one word of it?
For sure.
No.
The.
The.
Nina, watch out.
No, I'm not done yet.
Nina, watch out.
The walk. The run.
It's the climb.
The Des.
Oh, cute, John.
Des. Austin and Allie.
No.
Jogging.
Constipated.
John.
Constipation Nation 2.
Donation under constipation.
You don't know this movie? No.
No one does.
It's we weren't doing movies.
Can I tell you?
We weren't doing movies.
What was it?
Oh no, sorry. It was. Oh,
Mr.
yes.
Popper's Penguins.
No,
No, that's a movie.
March of the Wooden Soldiers.
We're not doing movies. We're doing TV shows.
Oh, no, but he happened to do a movie.
But we're not supposed to do it.
Well, what was it, Joe?
Can I tell you?
What was it?
Give
Just
us
tell
one more
us.
hint. Do
One
one more
more
hint.
You can say one word.
Tell me what it is, and I'll help you. I'll,
Besides the.
There's only one more word.
Oh, okay.
And it just describes the whole thing then.
Flintstones.
Joe, you have to do something.
I can't act out.
Wait, Joe. So what is there like a word that's in that word that you can tell us?
Okay, just like act it out.
I can't.
Of course he picks like the garbage can. And he can't.
Joe.
Do something.
Just tell us.
Fine. The nanny.
Oh, that was mine. You could have been like, eh.
no, you can't make noises.
Yeah, you can.
Thank you.
Not like word noises, but that was mine. You got mine. I was like, what did you? Oh wait, John, I'm not done. Daddy, John.
Doing Gangnam Style.
Wrong song.
Alright. Hey, give me the phone.
I could see your body, little song. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Grandpa. You're doing it wrong. It's Grandpa. And you're supposed to do it on the floor.
Okay, is it like this?
Oh yeah. You gotta push for this button. Go. See, Dad, they're doing it wrong. They're going like this. Grandpa. They're going grandpa. This is what it is. No, you're going like.
Where'd you get that from?
I made it up.
Oh.
Ready? Grandma and Grandpa. Let me try. They're all going like
What is that?
dance. My grandma and Grandpa there.
It's Emma calls it
Grandma and Grandpa. Dad, can I do it now?
Grandpa.
Can I do it now?
Do what?
Grandma, please this.
No,
No, I just want to try once,
No, this is
please.
not
Can I see do it?
What?
Can I see do it?
Okay.
Thanks, Dad.
And where's I forgot to show you. I was like touching my friend. And then ready? Right. No, it's not over. It's not over.
Mira, en Barranquilla se baila así.
Where's John?
And then my friend.
John! Where's John? What?
I'm on tonight, my hips don't lie. I'm starting to feel you, boy. Let's go real slow. Baby, like this is perfecto. Oh, you know I'm on tonight, my hips don't lie. I'm starting to feel it's right. The attraction, the tension. Baby, like this is perfection. No fighting, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that. You make a woman go mad. Yes. Yeah. Victory. No, John. Space to the laces.
No, this is my ball.
Space to.
If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. I could take your places, join
Hola, señora.
Okay, this is bad.
Do. Wait, no, give me the music. Okay, now go.
like to be everything you want. Hey girl, let me talk to you. If I was your boyfriend, never let you go. Keep you on my arm, girl. You never be alone. I could be a gentleman. Anything you want. If I was your boyfriend, never let you go. Tell me what you like, yeah, tell me what you do. I could be a buzz light, yeah, fly across the globe. I don't ever wanna fight, yeah, you already know. I'ma make you shine bright like you're laying in the snow. Girlfriend, you could be my girlfriend. You could be my girlfriend until the ripple curl. Yes, make you dance to a spin and a twirl. And always going crazy on this hook like a whirl.
Oh, we have to play this song, and I can
Like to be everything you
Let me talk to you.
I'm gonna kill you.
Play Let's Go.
I did what
Dad,
do
this
it.
is my favorite song.
Stop.
Daddy, this is my favorite song in the
It's like
whole entire
the best
world, okay?
song.
We have to play this.
Okay.
John. John.
Yeah.
It's popping. It's popping. It's popping. It's popping.
I gotta ask him. Cause if I don't, it's poppin'. It's poppin'.
Let's go. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss keep popping. I sip it in my locker, and all the boys keep stopping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? They said my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep jocking. They chase me after school. L'Oreal, Jeff, cause I'm worth it. The way I put it on so perfect. Wipe the corners of my mouth so I work it. When I walk down the hallway, they can't say nothing. Oh, my lips so luscious. The way I spice it up with the Mac brushes. L'Oreal got them watermelon crushes. That's probably the reason all these boys got crushes. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? They said my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be popping. I'm standing at my locker and all the boys keep stopping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? They said my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep jocking. They chase me after school. When it's
Time for lunch, my lips so round.
pink top, cherry, vanilla, flavors is a virtue. They loving lip gloss universal. The boys really like it. The girls don't speak. Rolling their eyes, they lip gloss cheap. It ain't my fault, but I can upgrade. Just show you how to use nice things with nice flavors. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be popping. I'm standing at my locker, and all the boys keep stopping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me?
That's what it is. Ready? My lip gloss is poppin'.
Dad, this is a Japanese person coming to America. Look, I'm
Nina, get ready
American.
for
I'm American.
Nina, come here. It's poppin'. It's poppin'. It's poppin'. She ain't frightened. Sitting in it, period, thought I was in trouble. Didn't call me out of line, think I want the double. I stepped in her Ross, it's like, yes, Mr. Clarkson. She like, girl, ran out of my lip glossin'. Write down where you get yours from, cause I must admit, that bubble gum is poppin'. It's poppin'. It's poppin'. She ain't frightened. And I be loving it, I be loving it, I be using it, I be using it, I be rubbing it, I be rubbing it. Oh, my lip gloss. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? I said my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss keep popping. I said it in my locker. Keep stopping. What you know about me? What you know about me? I said my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep talking. They chase me out of school.
Asian.
Okay.
That's
moving now.
That's our dance, Dad. Didn't you love that song?
Okay.
Oh, Sophia got her power back.
All right, watch out now. All right, let's watch out. Okay, get down. Okay, we're not listening to music now, okay?